On Saturday, March 2nd, Google reversed its earlier decision and agreed to restore the Indian post removed from the Play Store over dispute regarding the service fees. The company took its decision after its official had a meeting with the IT Minister Ashwini. Google dominates the Indian market with over 94% of the phones sold in India on the Android platform. Following Google's decision to remove the app, IT Minister had criticized Google for removing certain apps from the Play Store. Ashwini has stated the government will not allow these apps to be delisted and had called for a meeting with Google to resolve the issue. In a statement to PTI, the minister said, India is very clear, our policy is very clear. Our startups will get protection that they need. I have already called Google. I have already called app developers who have been delisted. We will have a meeting next week. This cannot be permitted. This kind of delisting cannot be permitted. Earlier on Friday, Google had removed apps belonging to 10 Indian companies, including well-established brands like Bharatmatrimony and Naukri. The dispute centered around Google's imposition of fees up to 30% on in-app payments. Indian companies have long protested at what they deemed unfair practice by the US tech giant. Google reasoned that these 10 Indian companies have taken advantage of the in-app payment system without paying the due service fees. While removing this app, the company said after giving these developers more than 3 years to prepare, including 3 weeks after the Supreme Court order, we are taking necessary steps to ensure our policy is applied consistently across the platform, as we do not want to give any form of policy violation globally.